as the saying goes. So when it rains, it pours. And sometimes when you're a plumber or you have a plumbing job, sometimes it pours even when it's not raining. But the good thing is that's usually extra income.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We had a major leak above some cabinets here in a kitchen ceiling. Called out today. We cut open the ceiling and guessing at what was going on. I thought maybe a screw was driven up into the cabinets right above the cabinets. Nope, that was not it. You can see the green board here. Green board is a very stronger drywall that's used for moisture resistance in cabinets and bathrooms. Kitchens and bathrooms always use green board for drywall in those areas. Here it was directly above the kitchen sink, which led to the unit upstairs. I checked up there and there was no leaks, and then opened the drywall again in this second spot and looking for where my leak was. It was right in front of me, but I literally could not see it. There's a pinhole leak, and you can see the corrosion there. My belief and thought at this point is that the flux was not wiped off properly of either a repair or looks like a repair.
Install of the 90-degree fitting.
It would have
right
been
there. You can see the
pinhole
piece of copper
stream.
So it looks like a repair
on the right-hand side of the screen,
and the flux not wiped
streaming
off
from the pinhole deal. So for temporary, I used the Rust-Oleum leak repair wrap stuff I've showed you guys a few times before. It's very effective. It's very works really good with a clamp, and so I wrapped that around, pulled it tight, used the clamp here, and put a second clamp on. It was leaking at first, tightened that up, and then no more leaks. Now I need to go back and repair this more permanently. I haven't decided what to do yet. I've had these last 3 to 5 years above ground, but you can see corrosion on the other side of the 90. Again, it looks like the flux was not wiped off properly, so something to watch for. A step all plumbers should take is wiping off all the flux when they're finished with the repairs, and it looks like this one started to corrode, so maybe a good idea to replace this 90 with a shark bite or solder in new fitting. I haven't decided what to do yet, but yeah, gonna let this area dry out and pull the drywall, let it dry out, make the repair, and it's gonna be a done deal. But thought I'd show you guys the process and what I think happened. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.